highly recommend visiting Monkey Beach on Larn. The sea was crystal clear, it was quite fresh and very still, perfect for swimming. No jellyfish in sight, no poisonous fish. I was actually poisoned by a fish when I went to Vietnam, when I went to an island called Phu Quoc. That was one of the worst, the most painful experiences of my life, so I am quite wary of getting into the sea these days, as my whole leg seized up and was in constant... Oh, there's a monkey. There's a monkey. That's it, we found a monkey just before we left. Yeah, as I was saying, my leg seized up and was in constant pain for 48 hours. No one on that island spoke any English, so all they did was like give me some medicine, some painkillers, but that didn't really do anything. So yeah, I'm very wary of the sea now compared to how I used to be. I used to be fearless when it came to the sea. Now I have a level of caution and fear.